Welcome everybody. Today I will be reviewing the GIGABYTE M28U 28-inch 144Hz gaming monitor. Amazon links with the best price in the description, don't miss out. One of the standout features of the M28U is its VESA Display HDR400 certification, which ensures that you get a more vibrant and dynamic range of colors with excellent contrast and brightness. Paired with a 94% DCI-P3 color gamut, 120% sRGB, this monitor excels in delivering lifelike, accurate colors for gaming and professional work like video editing or graphic design. Whether you're enjoying a cinematic experience in HDR or creating your next masterpiece, the M28U ensures your content looks stunning. In terms of connectivity, this monitor has everything you need, including 1x DisplayPort 1.4 and 2x HDMI 2.1 ports, allowing you to easily connect it to your PC, gaming console, or other devices. The FreeSync Premium Pro support helps eliminate screen tearing and stuttering, giving you a tear-free, smooth gaming experience. The monitor also features GIGABYTE's tactical features like OSD Sidekick, which provides customization options for improving your gaming experience, such as adjusting your on-screen display settings quickly and easily. The M28U features a sleek and modern design with ultra-thin bezels, making it perfect for multi-monitor setups or a clean, professional workspace. The wide 178 degrees viewing angle means you can enjoy consistent colors and brightness even when viewing the screen from the side. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working, the M28U offers a premium experience. Overall, the GIGABYTE M28U 28-inch gaming monitor is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a high-performance display for gaming, media consumption, or content creation. It offers fantastic image quality, a fast refresh rate, and a solid build quality, all backed by a trusted brand. Whether you're a competitive gamer or a professional looking for a reliable monitor for creative work, the M28U is sure to exceed your expectations. The GIGABYTE M28U 28-inch 144Hz gaming monitor is a powerhouse display that delivers an exceptional gaming experience, thanks to its impressive combination of features designed for both gamers and content creators alike. With its 4K UHD resolution, 3840 by 2160, and 144Hz refresh rate, this monitor offers crisp, sharp visuals and ultra-smooth gameplay. The 1 millisecond (GTG) response time ensures minimal motion blur, which is ideal for fast-paced gaming genres like FPS and racing. Amazon links with the best price in the description, don't miss out.